Hello, hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Toyosi. I'm calling from True Community Services.
Hey, God.
What did you
Okay.
say? Hello.
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay. You have an ongoing appearance with us, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah. And major countries of the world, you've had so many refusals. Australia, all these big countries, right?
Yes, you're correct.
Why are you talking like this? You seem to.
I'm scared. I'm very scared.
Ah, is your wife there?
You
I have to
don't,
call
you
you
don't
back.
usually, you don't, no, she's not here. You
Ah,
don't usually call, so.
no, I call to talk to. I give results to clients. That's one of my duties. So I call for that
Okay,
one. Yeah. Either way, anyway.
okay.
Unfortunately, well, it's I think your numerous refusals might have had an effect, kind of, in my own view. You know,
Okay.
but I just have to let you know what is you, your child, and your wife, right?
Yes, you're
The three of
correct.
you, and you're coming to study in Canada.
Yes.
Your visas have all been approved.
Jesus! 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 Oh, please, sir, tell me now, is it true, please?
Well,
Is
I
it
won't
true?
lie. I
Is
won't
it?
deceive you on that. Okay. Your visas have been approved despite
Jesus,
all your
God
numerous
Almighty.
refusals.
God, God,
Everybody,
oh
not
God,
only
God,
you.
we
Everybody.
bless you.
Everybody.
Oh God, I want to tell
Everybody.
my own God. Oh God, we bless you. Hey, we are going to Canada. Our visa has been approved. Oh God, God bless it. God bless you, sir. Oh God, thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh God, thank you. Oh God, but the problem is, our passport is in France embassy. I want to
It
take
doesn't
it,
matter.
back tomorrow. I will send them an email.
Don't worry.
I
It
will send
doesn't.
them
No,
an
no, no. It
email.
doesn't matter. You have 30 days. Okay. Well. Your study is
Uh,
supposed to start. Your study is supposed to start on in May. Yeah. So you need to get it on time so that
yes.
you don't mess up that. Well, anyway, but be careful. Just
Okay.
check.
Can I? Yes. Not till on the 15th of next month. Can I send the passport
Yes,
today?
yes, yes.
Is
You
it
have you have
possible?
30 days, and
Oh,
normally based on we get approvals almost on a daily basis, and I tell you that it takes
oh
just
God,
like
this
one
one
week.
is too big now. This news is too big for us to handle this night. How are we going to sleep? Ah, oh God. Oh. Ah, oh God, Jesus Christ. Oh God, God will bless you. God will bless you.
Okay.
Oh God, God will bless you. Yeah,
Thank you.
this one is more than God, oh. Oh God. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh God. So how will I contact you now when I
We'll
get
send
the
a mail to you.
passport? Please,
We'll
how
send,
will I
we'll send a mail
contact
to
you?
you now. We're going to send a mail to you now. That mail will guide you on the next steps that you need to take. Okay?
Oh God, send it,
Yeah,
send
we'll
it.
send it
Thank you,
now.
sir. Thank you.
Expect it in like
Thank you,
10
sir.
minutes.
Thank you.
All right.
Canada, here I come. Oh God, thank you.
Congrats.